Okay, good morning to all of you, those who are watching this live or those who can watch this later. So, on behalf of KV Lumley, today we are going to do the lottery for class 1. It is already 9:30 and our portal is open now. As you can see, it is 9:30 and it's open. So, we are going to start doing our lottery. First, we will do the lottery for RTE class 1. So, here I have pressed RTE. So total students eligible for RT in KB Lunglai is, you can see, 19 students. So I have let me download the pre-lottery list first. I have downloaded the pre-lottery list so that we can get the list of all the 19 students. And now for the RTE, we are going to conduct the lottery. Here is the conduct RT lottery button. I am going to press it and the names will randomize, and the top 10 name which will come, the top 10 students name which will come in the list will be getting the RTE. So here I am pressing it. So yes, you can, the parents, if you are seeing this video, it is for your satisfaction only and for your transparency. I'm going to press OK, and the top 10 names, again I'm repeating, the top 10 names which will come in this random list, those students will be termed or will be under RTE if we verify your documents and found everything correct. So yes, the lottery is done. As you can see here, RT lottery was conducted at 23/6/2021, 9:33 a.m. Number of selections available 1. Number of RT seats available 10. So these are the list. So this is the list. RT lottery was conducted. So these are the list. So the top 10 students, lottery number 1 to 10. If these students details are found correct, after that we will admit it. So for now we have not admitted. We will have to first verify the details. After that we will admit these students, these 10 students. So from here I am downloading the RT lottery result also. So this result I have downloaded. So according to this result, you can see also, you can see the names if you want. Again, I'm just scrolling it down slowly. Cindy, Jonathan, Moirang Them, Lian Zampuya, Van Lalompui, Bena, Teresa, Christina, C. Van Lal Puya, Malson Tluangi. These 10 names will be under RT, and these are the students from number 11 onwards. You can see these are in waiting list. So if any of these students details are found incorrect, then we will move towards the waiting list. So these are the students who are under waiting list. I'm scrolling them down slowly so you can see the names. Okay, so here are the 19 names which has been randomized, which has been lottery is done. So we have found the list of lottery, and I have downloaded the lottery result also. So we will work according to this. Next, I am doing lottery for differently abled. Over here, no students are available. Since no applicants are there in this category in our school, we will move towards the next one. Differently abled ST category is also not available. Next, I'm moving to next one. Differently able OBC. Here also no students are there. Next, I'm moving to differently abled general OBC. Over here also no students. Now I'm moving to the next category, which is the service category 1. So over here, 2 students are there only. So for them, let me first download the pre-lottery list. I have downloaded the pre-lottery list. Now we will conduct the lottery only for these 2 students. So here, this is the conduct lottery button, and I am going to press it now. So yes, the lottery is done. I am downloading the lottery result also from here. So we have completed category 1 lottery. These are the results. These 2 students in this sequence. Okay, lottery number 1 and 2. Moving to service category number 2. Here also there are no students. Moving to SC category. In SC category, only 1 student is there. But for that also, we are required to do the lottery. So we will be doing the lottery. First, I am again downloading the pre-lottery list, and then I am conducting the lottery for only one student. Okay, here you can read the point. You are about to view the SC category lottery results. This page will also allow you to process admissions in this category. If you wish to simply view the lottery results, okay, and page after and close the page after viewing. If you wish to process for admissions, please note that admissions under SC category can be given only to fill shortfall in SC reserve seats. After admission of all applicants in SAQ and in all categories prior to SC, as in sequence of lotteries, have been processed. If you haven't processed admissions of all applicants these categories yet, click cancel and process to those admission first. So we are doing this since we have only one student. We have no issue. We will conduct it. Okay. So lottery for one student is done. Again, I'm downloading the lottery result. Okay. So till 8 categories we have gone now. We are moving to the next one, the ST lottery. For ST lottery, we have total of 19 students. Total 19 students. So for these 19 students, again, we are going to conduct the lottery. Before conducting, let me download the pre-lottery list first. Okay, pre-lottery list done, downloaded. Now let's conduct the lottery. Again, the same thing is written. What was applicable for SC, same thing is for ST also. Okay, so I have done. I am slowly scrolling down the list so that all of you can see the names. These are the waiting list. These are the list accordingly. I'm slowly going down. If I'm moving too fast, you can later on pause the video and see the list again. Okay, so this is the list. Now let's save the ST lottery result. Okay, so ST lottery result also done. Now moving to OBC NCL. Here two students are there. Again, the same process. First download the pre-lottery list, then conduct the lottery. Again, for OBC also the same process which has been implied on SC and ST category. Okay, so lottery is done. Two students. Again, OBC, this is the sequence. I am downloading the lottery result. Okay. Now service 3 category. For service 3 category, again two students. Again, let's download the pre-lottery list. Pre-lottery list downloaded. Now conduct the lottery. Done. Again for two students, lottery is done. Let's download the lottery result. Same process for category 4. Only one student is there, but still we'll have to conduct the lottery. So I have downloaded the pre-lottery list now to conduct the lottery. Okay, so lottery here also done. So here you can see it is waiting list 3. This is because we have already applied first for ST and SC, and after SC and ST only, first we have applied already for service category 3. So after service category 3 only, we are giving priority to service category 4. That is why it is in waiting list number 3. So let's download the result. Okay, so last again service category 5. For service category 5, there are total 19 students. So here is the list of the students. these 19 students. Let me first download the pre-lottery list. Lottery list downloaded. After that, now let's conduct the lottery. Here again, since service category 4, we have got the list of waiting list 3 number, waiting list number 3. For this category, after service category 4, we are beginning from waiting list number 4. So from waiting list number 4, serially we are going down, and this is the sequence of the result. So I'm again going down slowly so that you can see all the names. Okay, so now let's download the result. Now one last category we have, that is the single girl child category. So for this, again, only one student is there. Downloading the pre-lottery list, and now conducting the lottery for one student only. So lottery is done. So lottery number 1. Since only one student, it is in lottery number 1. So I am downloading the lottery result. So with this, we have finished lottery for all the students. Let's check once again. RTE done. Differently able, no students. Differently able, no students. Category 4, differently able. OBC, no students. General, no students. Service category 1, lottery is already done. That is why here no option is coming. Service 2, no students. SC also lottery done. ST also lottery done. OBC done. Service category 3 finished. Service category 4 finished. Service category 5 done. Single culture category done. So with this, we have finished all the lotteries for all the categories. Okay, so we are finished with the lotteries. All the categories lottery has been done, and after this, the result we have already downloaded. We will post these results wherever necessary in website, or even in the school notice board. But this is temporary only. First, we will have to verify all the documents which has been submitted. After verification, if everything is found correct, then only we will admit it in the sequence which we have done lottery. So with this, we have completed our this one. We have completed our lottery for class 1. On behalf of KB Lunglei, I thank you all for watching this video. This video will be uploaded in our Facebook page also, Kendriya Vidyalaya Lunglei, and also in our YouTube channel, Principal Kendriya with KB Lunglei. So in both these, from here also you can watch it, and the links will be shared to you accordingly. So you can watch this video later also for your satisfaction. I thank you all for watching this video. Thank you.